So when we founded Apex, the industry was really just beginning to transition to the digital age. And so what we were able to do is provide our customers with a solution in the digital space that before hadn't really existed. And so that's one of the big reasons we started the company, was to transition that so that customers could take advantage of digital technology as opposed to the analog technology, which was much slower, much more difficult to work with, and not nearly as high quality.
As an early innovator within our industry, we have been able to establish Apex Solutions as the industry leader for dynamic data acquisition and analysis. Our products are used by all major OEMs. They are used at various stages of each testing process. We have now expanded our install base to include all 5 continents. We have tens of thousands of channels installed on a variety of hardware, performing many different types of measurements all over the world.
So we have customers that are involved in propulsion, other turbo machinery, turbochargers, things like that. Also involved in power generations, one of our big customers. And so we continue to expand into new markets really around the world.
We have extensive experience working with customers to discuss their specific testing requirements and proposing solutions that meet their really complex needs. We have experience working with systems that are thousands of channels. We have experience working with systems that operate at sample rates of 1 megahertz. We have successfully installed ruggedized systems, portable systems, and systems that are in really harsh testing environments. At Apex, we have the experience to find our customers the perfect solution to meet their complex testing requirements.
We have always been advocates for open platforms and open interfaces and open file formats and things like that. We believe strongly that if a customer is going to pay us for data acquisition or analysis, that the data and the results should always, of course, be theirs. And so all of our formats have always been open. We've also been very heavily involved in open architectures and hardware systems from a variety of our suppliers in response to the needs of individual customers. And in that way, we strive to be really testing partners with our customers. We feel like we succeed when our customers succeed, and that's really what we're about. When you do business with Apex, you're getting a testing partner who will adapt our products to your process to make you successful and to extend the technology even further to aid the customer.
Our current focus on our next generation of products is to take all that we've learned and apply that to new markets, to new testing, to new sciences, while also taking advantage of new technology available within our industry.
Yeah, the future for Apex is really one of continuing this digital transformation. It's going to be full of big data and integration with big data and artificial intelligence and getting more and more information out of less and less data.
We've been working on integrating modern standards into our software, mainly for interoperability with other software systems or custom user interfaces so that we can provide a better solution to meet the overall customer's needs. The technology space is an evolving and ever-changing space. We have to keep up with it, and the best way to do that is to use modern protocols and standards for data processing and information exchange.
So this big transformation towards digital engineering would mean for us that we can fill in the gaps, so to speak, in where we're testing in the test envelope with digital simulations and with extrapolations and with predictions about what the test might look like should we go to some location that we didn't test before.
It is a really exciting time for Apex. We have an amazing staff that is not only focused on customer service, but is also focused on innovation. And we are excited to expand our technology into new markets and new disciplines while maintaining the same level of credibility that we've spent the last 20 years building.